Hi, I'm Alison. I'm a mother of two girls and I've had a cruise consultancy for the past 6 years. When I was a kid, I really wanted to own a lolly shop. Yeah, I love to rock climb and climb mountains. They're my main two passions. People probably think I'm a bit, highly charged at times. I'm a retained on-call firefighter for Corrimal Fire Station, and I've been in the role just over 5 months now. I have certain skills, like I love rock climbing and I'm a small frame person, so I can get to small spaces, which is valuable when you're a firefighter. I just love the fact that every call is different and I just love the challenge of it. I wear this uniform with pride, but when I put my turnout gear on, I'm prepared for anything.